No one told you it would be easy, and it won't be. But nobody who ever built something great started from a position of comfort. They started from scratch, just like you. You keep waiting for the right moment, the right time, the right mood. Let me tell you the truth. There is no right time. There is only now. And what you do with now is what separates the ones who make it from the ones who watch others make it. You have to decide right now, who are you becoming? Because the version of you that hesitates, that overthinks, that quits when it gets hard, that version has an expiry date. That version has to go. You have to tear it down brick by brick and build something stronger in its place. Hard work is not a punishment. Hard work is a privilege. It means you still have fight left in you. It means you still believe something better is possible. The moment you stop working hard is the moment you stop believing in yourself. Sacrifice is not what you lose. Sacrifice is what you trade a lesser life for a greater one. Every early morning you choose over sleep. Every book you choose over entertainment. Every uncomfortable conversation you push yourself to have. That is not suffering. That is construction. You are building the life you keep saying you want. Stop competing with other people. The only competition that matters is the one between who you are right now and who you are capable of becoming. Most people never close that gap because it requires them to face themselves honestly. Can you do that? Can you look in the mirror and say, I have not given everything I have, and then go give it? You want to reach the next level? You cannot carry everything with you. The habits that got you here will not get you there. The mindset that protected you here will limit you there. You have to be willing to let go of the old version of yourself even when it feels safe, even when it feels familiar. The grind is not glamorous. Nobody sees the 5 a.m. stars. Nobody sees the missed events, the silent sacrifices, the moments of self-doubt you push through alone in the dark. But the results speak in public what the work whispered in private. So here is the question. When the moment comes, and it will come, where it is easier to quit than to continue, what are you going to do? That single decision will define everything. Not your talent, not your background, not your circumstances. Just that one choice. Keep going or give up. Make the right one every single day until your life becomes proof of what is possible when someone refuses to quit.